Here is a simple way to make sure your writing says what you mean. The CDO strategy. This checklist will help you take control of your writing and make it clear. C is for compare. This is the first step. You need to compare what you wrote to what you were actually trying to say. Read your paper and ask yourself, does this sentence make sense? Or, is this what I wanted to write? If it doesn't match up, you know you have work to do. D is for diagnose. Now that you know something is wrong, you need to diagnose the problem. This means you figure out why it's unclear. Do you have a word that doesn't fit? Is a sentence in the wrong place? Do you need to add more details? Diagnosing the problem helps you know what to fix. O is for operate. Now that you have found the problem, you operate and fix it. This is where you make changes to improve the meaning and clarity. You might add a sentence, take out a word, or move a paragraph. This is the step where you put your solutions into action. You now know how to use the CDO strategy to make your writing better.